It's a chef of expressions, back with another one, Bafetu. Today what we're doing, we're making a breakfast creamy chicken livers, Bafetu. Right? What you need, it's your livers. We have some coriander, some spring onions, mushrooms, onions, some chicken stock, 6 grams, some chili flakes, and tomato paste, right? Then for your eggs, you're gonna need 2 eggs. You're gonna need some bread. You're gonna need some vinegar, right? So I'm gonna do poached eggs, Bafetu, right? So with your poached eggs, you must boil your water, right? So once your water is boiling, you can put your vinegar inside, right? So we'll come back to this. Let's just keep it on the low temperature there, sharp. And then now we can start cooking our livers, right? I'm gonna start first by my butter. Butter in a pan. So I'm done with this. Can go there. Then your chicken livers, put your chicken livers there. So my chicken livers, I pre-cooked them in an oven, right? So they fully cooked. I just need to just lock in the flavor in there, right? The flavor of the butter. I love the flavor of the butter in my chicken livers, Buffet. So what you need next, you can pour your onion in there and your mushroom at the same time, right? Let it cook up. Some salt and pepper, of course. Your chicken stock, your 6 grams, your chili flakes same time, your tomato, lower your heat, cook it on low. So now you crack in your, don't do a well. There's no need to do a well while you're doing the poached egg. So let me toast up my bread as well, right? At the same time. No need to do a well pool, right? Just drop in your egg there. When you drop it, don't drop it here. Let me show you with the egg, with the next one. Don't drop it here or here. Make sure like your eggshell is touching your water. You see that? The eggshell is touching the water. Then what it does, it makes the egg not to spread out. The egg will never spread out, Buffet, right? So there we go. So now we just trying to cook up the tomato paste so it doesn't have that tomato texture in your mouth, right? You know, with tamati, it's that flavor of tomato, that bitterness of a tomato. So I'm cooking out that tomato taste, right? Then now it's cooked now. You can put in your cream. You can put on your cream in there, just like that. Easy buffet too. We're halfway done actually with our thing, right? We're halfway done with our thing. Let me just empty out the spices in here. So, check this. You see, they're nice and round. So, personally, I eat my eggs soft, right? To check how your eggs are doing, just lift it up with a spatula and touch on them. This is soft. This is very soft. This is how I eat them, right? I need a paper towel, T-man. So once your Once your things are fully cooked, add your herbs. Right? Done. Put it there. Take out your eggs. Put them on some paper towel so they can dry up the water, right? You don't want watery thingies, watery poached eggs, right? The next thing, let me show you how I plate it up. Has to be nice. Okay, take your bread, put your bread down, then take your livers, take your livers, put your liver there, your big chunks of livers, put them here, put the tiny ones on top, like that. Don't worry if they fall off the bread. Right, so I'm done here. Now you can take your eggs. Just be gentle when you just roll it down to you see, like that. Put it here, roll it again. Make sure there's no paper stuck on your eggs, right? Just make sure your plate is clean. You can impress your boyfriend, buffet too. Impress your husband, impress your girlfriend. Just a sprinkle there just to garnish with your coriander and story. So buffet too, we are done cooking. Check this, very nice buffet too. Chef of Expression is out buffet too. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe buffet too. Share and subscribe. Hey, tada.